This is the fun part, offer negotiations. So we finally got an offer on the property. Maybe we've got multiple offers on the property. So we're gonna present the offer to you, and then we're gonna adjust what you want to see out of the offer. So perhaps you want a longer closing date, perhaps you want more money, perhaps you want a bigger deposit, perhaps you want to see less conditions. So we're going to go over the offer with you. We're going to discuss it. We're going to talk about what's sold in the neighborhood. Maybe things have changed since we listed the property. What's the market doing? And then we're going to come up with a strategy on negotiating the offer and getting you what you want out of the deal. So now you've accepted the offer. You're happy, it's amazing, but it's probably gonna have conditions. So the most likely conditions are gonna be financing and inspection, which are fairly normal in our market. So you're gonna have a financing condition probably about 10 to 14 days out. That's how long it generally takes to get financing. So the person's gonna have a financing condition. So what they'll do is they'll usually wait for their financing before they do the inspection. So don't worry if the first couple of days they haven't booked an inspection. They wanna make sure that they have their financing in place. Even if they're pre-approved, they still wanna make sure they have their financing in place before they book the inspection. Because if they don't get the financing, they don't wanna pay $500, $600, $700 just for an inspection if they're not going to get approved for financing. So we want to wait for that, and then once we have that, you have a firm deal.